ChatGPT feels like it knows everything. History, science, pop culture, even your side hustle. But how does it know all this? Is it reading your mind? Or is it just really good at pretending to be smart? Let's break it down. ChatGPT is a large language model created by OpenAI. It doesn't think like a human. It doesn't feel, understand, or reason. It's basically a supercharged autocomplete. When you type something, it guesses the next word, one word at a time, based on what it's seen during training. So where does it get all that knowledge? From training data. ChatGPT was trained on billions of words. Books, websites, Wikipedia, Reddit, code, and more. It didn't study like a student. It absorbed massive amounts of text to learn how humans write, explain, and communicate. But it doesn't know everything. Most ChatGPT versions, like GPT-4o, can't browse the internet in real time. They're trained on data up to a certain point. For GPT-4o, that's June 2024. So if you ask about something that happened last week, it might be clueless. ChatGPT sounds smart because it mimics human language. It learned how to structure sentences, use tone, and even, throw in a bit of humor. But that doesn't mean it's always right. Sometimes that's called a hallucination. It's not lying, it's just guessing. Kind of. It saw a lot of public information online. Blogs, news, open source text. But it didn't read your emails, private messages, or subscription-only content. Some people are debating whether it should have seen everything it did. And, well, that's still being argued in court. At the end of the day, ChatGPT doesn't anything. It doesn't understand facts. It doesn't think about your question. It just gives the most likely response, based on patterns from the past. It's not magic, it's math. So next time ChatGPT amazes you, just remember, it's not a genius, it's just trained like one. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand how it works, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your weirdest ChatGPT moment in the comments. Thanks for watching.